Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, rancislab, the remote office mate. From the previous video, we end up a catch-up entry up to here, this entry. Now, for today's video, we will start from here and hopefully we end up to here. So let's start. Bad debt expense. So let's go here, then let's make another tab. Let's go to journal entry. Then here, mahina. Then click here. It's December 26. So let's click this one, December 26. We will use this and we will just continue it here. So debit is bad debt expense, this one. So this is an expense account. Expense. This one, bad debt expense. Then save and close. There you go. Then allowance for doubtful account. And the amount. And we name this to miscellaneous customers total. So let's save and close this one. So next, this one, it's a accrued interest receivable. But first, let's check first this here. Allowance for doubtful account. This will increase, this one. This one will increase. And here, the expenses will go somewhere here. So let's refresh this one. Let's go down. There you go, other expense. And here, this is 26,351. This will increase 8,000. There you go, 28,000. So next is cash, account receivable, rental receivable. Rental receivable, let's go down. Rental receivable, this one. So let's check first this amount if it is reflected in the bank recon. No, not this one, this one rather. I'm sorry for that. Let's check here in the bank statement. There you go. It's December 1. So this one, December 1. First, let's go here. This one, rental receivable. And if we go here in the customer sales, then customers, this is Met Connect. As you can see here, it's a zero balance. because we record these transactions in a journal entry, not in invoice. To check it, let's go there. Click here, then there you go. There you go. This one, as you can see, it's a journal entry, not an invoice. So let's go back. So first, we will go to journal entry. First, we will zero out this one because this was collected. There you go. This 16,000. This 24,000. This is included. So the collection is September, October, November. 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 16, yeah, 24. So first, let's record first the collection in a journal entry. And the date for this is, what's the date? December 1. Journal entry 2001, 12, December 1. So debit, cash BPI of 16,000, just to zero out this one, 16,000. And then credit to rental receivable. Rent, this one. And here is MetConnect. So let's pause this one. There you go. Let's check first here. Yeah, it's still 0. But here, this will become 0 now. There you go, it's 0. Now we will record the 16. So let's go here. Let's make first an invoice. So this customer is Met, correct? Met Connect. Then December 1, yes, 2021. Then in here, let's type rental receivable, revenue rather, rental revenue. Rental revenue. As you can see, it went to product and services. Let's go here in the services. And then here, let's add this other. Save. And here is the service revenue. We will leave them amount. Service revenue, there you go. So income, this is a, let's use this one. Then save. There you go. Then save also. Then And here we will type this here. The rate is 8,000 and it is 216. So description, rental for the month of November and December 2021. Let's copy this one, paste it here. Let's check, then save and close. Let's refresh this one, and once we refresh, we are going to have an amount here. There you go. There you go, is 16. So let's go again. We already collected the 16, and now we will collect the December, the November, the 8,000. Cash receipt, receive payment rather. So receive payment, then Met Connect, this one. Let's check this one and let's type this 8 for the month of November. Rental for the month. Rental for the month of November. Then let's save this one. Save and close. As you can see here, it's 8,000. Yes. And here, this will become 8,000 as well. Refresh. Oh, this time it will be 0, but it will go here in the account receivable. I'm sorry, it went here in the account receivable. If you check it here, we check it in here. There you go, this 16,000. So it went here. So it's okay. I have no problem with that. It is already part of the account receivable. So let's go back. So this is already 0, but it went here. So I'm good with that. Next, the revenue. This one, revenue. Let's check here in the profit and loss of 16,000. There you go, this one, 16,000. However, I want this revenue also to go here. So let's change this one. Let's go back to invoice. Let's change this to 8, 10, 11 rather. 11, then this is only 1. Let's save. Let's check here. Yeah, it's 0 again. And here in the profit and loss, so it went here. So we will make another invoice again for the month of December. Invoice. Let's go first I forgot to edit. Let's delete this one. As well as here. Save and close. New invoice. Here is Met Connect. December 1. Then here is rental revenue. Then here is this description. Paste it here also. And rate is 8,000. There you go. Now let's save and close this one. Let's check here. There you go. It's already 8,000. And here, profit and loss reports. Profit and loss. Then 21. Stop. Run. There you go, 8,000, 8,000. So in the balance sheet, the amount of 14,000, the 16,000 and the 8,000. Let's check it here. This one rather. There you go, these two. The 8,000 and the 16,000. So yeah, this one is 24. This one. So let's go back. So next, this one, account receivable. Let's check this again in the bank recon. There you go. And the date is December 1 also. So let's go here, receive payment. This is a partial payment of Lisa, customer Lisa. BPI. Let's check first here. Let's check first. Let's go to sales, then customer. Let's check the amount of Lisa. It's 18,000. 18,209. Yeah. And we pay, and she paid it partial, this one. So let's save and close this one. Save and close. Now let's go to Lisa. Customer Lisa. Let's click here. There you go. Her balance is, there you go, this one, 12,000. So this one, 12,000. This one is already paid, and this one is partially paid because she paid 5,000 for this invoice. There's no invoice number here. So next, this one, accrued interest, investment in bond. So let's go here, the computation. So this is 15, 2 months. So every 15. So let's go here. Let's go here, then journal entry. So the computation for this is here. This one, the 7.5. If you check it here, as you can see, it's a 6 because it's a semi-annually for 6 months. And this two is for 2 months, for November and December. The same thing with this one. Same thing this one. So here, we will divide this by 2. Divided by 2. There you go. And this one divided by 2 as well. Let's check the total. 36. Yes, correct. So first, let's book the November. November 15. November 15. Let's debit accrued interest receivable. There you go. And the amount of this one. The next is the investment in bond. And the amount of this one. Then here is the interest revenue. Interest revenue. Revenue. Let's add this one. There you go. This is other income, interest earned, this one, and save. Let's save this one. Save and new. Now for December 2021, same entry, the accrued, same amount. Then investment in bond, and here is the interest revenue. Interest revenue, this one. So let's save this one. Save and close this time. So let's check here. So let's refresh this one. Let's check. There you go, this one. Interest revenue. Now for this one, we will fix this later. I want this amount to be here. And I will just fix, and I will fix it later. So next, BPI one. Let's check first here in the bank statement. There you go. It's dated November 30. So service revenue again. Service revenue. We will go to journal entry. And the date for this is November 30. Let's date this November 30. There you go. Then let's copy this one and paste it here. It's 1,300. And this one, income. Then this one. Then save. And here we will make this miscellaneous customer. Ano? Other. Ayan, miscellaneous. Then save and close. So let's go to profit and loss. Refresh. Let's go down. Service revenue. So it went here. I want this to put here in the other income. So let's go here. Make another tab. And let's go to charge of account. Then let's type service revenue, this one. Click here, then edit. So I want it to put it here. So let's go here and let's go to other income. There you go. So it goes here in the other income. So let's save this one. Miscellaneous, other miscellaneous income. Then save. And also this one, the revenue, interest revenue. Interest revenue. Here you go. Let's click here and then edit. Then other income, other investment. There you go. So this is income and other income, and this is investment, other investment income. So let's try to save this one. Let's check. Go to profit and loss. Let's check if this revenue and also this rental revenue, service revenue, Let's check if this will go here. Refresh. It's still there. Other revenue and the service revenue is already here. This one, we really need to make this inactive in the product and services, and we will make another new one. So I will fix it later. So next, this one. Let's go here. Journal entry. We will date this December 30. December 30. So this one is office expense. This is an expense. And then material and supplies. Save. And the amount. Then credit it to office supplies. Then let's jump here. We will date this October. We will date this also December 31. Let's copy this one. Paste it here. So this is an expense. Other expense. Other vehicle expense. So save. And the amount. So next is the interest expense. There you go. Expense, then interest, then interest paid. It's fine. Let's look for another. Yeah, we will use that one. Interest paid. Then save. And the amount. Next is rent expense. Other expense. Let's use the other expense. Then save. And the amount is this one. So prepaid. Interest. Prepaid interest. Then prepaid rent. There you go. Let's save this one. Let's refresh. So here, let's go to expenses. There you go. This one, a rent expense, insurance expense. This one, how about the rent interest expense? There you go, 60. Yeah. And here in the balance sheet, yeah, we're zero now. These are the prepaid insurance, prepaid interest, prepaid insurance. You still have the amount. Prepaid rent, yeah, these are all zero now. And office supplies, we still have the balance. So next we will book this one. Let's check if this amount reflected in the bank recon. Yes, and the date is November 4. November 4, this one. So let's go here, click new, then checks. And here the payee is office merchant. Office merchant. Vendor. And save. And the date for this is November 11, November 4. November 4. Then here is the office supplies. So the amount is this one. Description. VPI cash. Yeah, well, we will save this one. Save and close. Let's go to balance sheet. Office supplies, this one. November, this will increase. And here, this one also will decrease. So let's check, refresh. Seven 86. 86. There you go. It decreased. And also here, there you go, it increased. So if you check it here, there you go, the 3,500. Yeah. So next, we bought office supplies on account. So let's go here, click new, bills, then office merchant, and we will date this December 15. Then here is the office supplies, and the amount is this one. So if we post this one, the accounts payable, this one will increase December, and also the office supplies, this one will increase. So 1.8. So this will become 7, I believe, 7, and this one will become 6, 13.56. Refresh. Sorry, let's save first this one. Let's go to accounts payable. Let's click here. Let's check if it is reflected here. Yeah, 1.8. Let's go back. Yeah, 6. And this, and here, yeah, it's 7. If you click it here, you can check this one. It's reflected. So that's it. So we're done for today's video. We begin from here and we end up here. So that's it for today's video. If you learned something from it, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends who wants to learn bookkeeping, especially QuickBooks, and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. So for our next video, we will just continue the catch-up entry, and this time will be the accumulated depreciation and the expense. So this will be our next video. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye.